Kung masaya ka sa love life mo at nakita mo itong video na to, sinasabi ko sa iyo ngayon pa lang, hindi ito para sa iyo. At para ito sa ating mga single ngayong Pasko at single na mga hindi makahanap at makatagpo ng the right partner for them. Bakit nga ba? At ito ang message for you. Bakit nga ba hindi mo nare-receive ang mga love or mga bagay na binibigay mo sa ibang tao? You are too emotional for love. The reason why you don't receive the way you give or the things that you give to other people is because you are pouring it all to everyone else. You are pouring it all to them, not yourself. And that's the reason why you still don't find the love of your life. Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na sa'yo, bago pa mag-2026, this is the time for you to give love for yourself. Unahin mo at pagbuhusan mo ng pagmamahal, atensyon at pag-aalaga iyang sarili mo. Huwag mong unahin yung iba. It's time for you to have emotional intelligence. It's time for you to give and tap into who you really are. Because if not, 2026 will be the same. If you don't know your worth, then other people doesn't know or won't be able to know your worth as well. Singles, keep on slaying and stop crying.